The joys of travel are wherever your journey takes you. Travel is a mindset. Travelers follow their dreams. Travel is also sensual. We see like an artist. We listen like a poet. We taste the unfamiliar. We celebrate with all our senses. Travelers connect with different cultures, different people. On the road, strangers are just friends we've yet to meet. Travel frees us from routine. Traveling beyond my comfort zone, culture shock became constructive. The celebration of difference and oneness at the same time. The recognition that love is love in their home just as in mine. We learn the more we reach out, the more we receive. There's so much fear these days. The flip side of fear? It's understanding. And we gain understanding when we travel. Travel is more than a holiday. It gives us new experiences, acts as our greatest teacher, makes our lives more meaningful, and connects us with a global family. We can't all travel physically, but anyone can live with a traveler's mindset. It's a choice. Even when we can't travel physically, we can venture out in spirit. The joys of travel are wherever your journey takes you. Peaceful parks, great cities, across the sea, or just across town. Travel is a mindset. Travelers follow their dreams. Of course, travel is fun, relaxing with abandon, not acting our age, going for broke, joining the party. Travel makes us more comfortable with the world, our hearts bigger, and our lives richer. And it makes us happier. And that is why we travel.